Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more website builder reviews and tech tips. Today, we're diving into IM-Creator, a website builder designed with creatives in mind. Check out the description below for links to IM-Creator and other helpful resources mentioned in this video. IM-Creator stands out from the crowd with its unique approach to website building, specifically catering to creative professionals, entrepreneurs, and small businesses seeking a fast and stylish online presence. A truly remarkable feature is their free plan available for creatives, students, and nonprofits. This provides access to a professional-grade website at absolutely no cost, a rarity in the competitive website builder market. The platform utilizes a user-friendly block-based editing system, allowing you to select from a library of beautifully designed, responsive templates optimized for seamless viewing across various devices. These templates cater to a diverse range of industries, including photography, art, fashion, business, and more. The intuitive editor simplifies the entire process, enabling users to effortlessly adjust layouts, replace content, and upload images without requiring any prior technical expertise. IM-Creator shines in its ability to deliver visually appealing websites rapidly, making it an ideal choice for those who prioritize design and speed. Beyond its aesthetic prowess, IM-Creator also offers e-commerce functionality, empowering users to establish online stores for selling products or services. While the e-commerce features may not be as comprehensive as those offered by dedicated platforms like Shopify, they are perfectly adequate for small-scale businesses. Furthermore, the platform incorporates essential SEO tools to enhance your site's visibility in search engine rankings, along with integration options for valuable third-party tools such as Google Analytics. One of IM-Creator's most significant advantages is its affordability. In addition to the free plan for qualifying users, the paid plans are competitively priced, making it a budget-friendly option for startups and small businesses. However, it's worth noting that users seeking advanced customization and integrations might find the platform somewhat limiting, as its primary focus is on simplicity and speed. In conclusion, IM-Creator presents a fantastic website builder solution for individuals who desire a visually stunning website without the complexities of extensive customization or high costs. It's particularly well-suited for creatives, students, nonprofits, and small businesses that value aesthetics and ease of use. If you're in search of a platform to quickly and affordably create a professional-looking website, IM-Creator is definitely worth exploring. The links in the description provide additional details and will assist you in determining if IM-Creator is the right fit for your specific website needs. This review should give you a clearer picture of what IM-Creator offers and help you make an informed decision.